Hi. So I have been to the temple today, as this today is Saturday, and I have seen many people are reading the Hanuman Chalisa or reciting the Hanuman Chalisa, but they don't know the actual meaning of it. The background of Hanuman Chalisa, it is basically written in Awadhi language. So it's a part of town in UP. The people actually speak the language there still now, but let us translate this language, Awadhi language Hanuman Chalisa to English language. So actually people will get to know the meaning of it while reciting it. श्री गुरु चरण सरोज रज निज मन मकर सुधारी बनरऊ रघुवर विमल जसु जो दायुक फलचारी. After cleansing the mirror of my mind with the dust of Holy Guru's lotus feet, I profess the pure, untainted glory of Sri Raghuvar, which bestows the fourfold fruits of life, Dharma, Artha, Kama and Moksha. बुद्धिहीन तनु जानिके सुमिरे पवन कुमार बल बुद्धि विद्या देहु मोहि हरव कलेश विकार. Fully aware of the deficiency of my intelligence, I concentrate my attention on Pawan Kumar, that is son of Pawan Dev, and humbly ask for the strength, intelligence, and true knowledge to relieve me of all shortcomings that are causing pain. Jai Hanuman Jnana Guna Sagar, Jai Kapisa Tihulo Kujagar. Victory to Hanuman, the ocean of wisdom and virtue. Hanuman's fame shines across all the three worlds, that is, the entire cosmos. रामदूत ततुलित बलधामा अंजनी पुत्र पवन सुत नामा. He is Lord Rama's messenger, possessing immeasurable strength, son of Anjani and the wind god. That's why he is also known as Anjani Putra or Pavanaputra. Mahabhir Bikram Bajrangi Kumati Nivar Sumati Ke Sangi. It means he is a great warrior, extremely powerful, with a body as strong as thunder. He removes the evil thoughts and gives good wisdom. Kanchan Baran Biraj Subesa Kanana Kundala Kunchit Kesa. It means he has golden complexion and wears beautiful ornaments. Earrings in his ears and curly hair enhances his appearance. हाथ वज्र और ध्वजा बिराजे कांधे मुंह जनेऊ साजे. He holds the gada like the thunderbolt and a flag, symbol of strength and devotion. He wears the skate thread Janeyu, showing discipline and purity. शंकर स्वयं केसरी नंदन तेज प्रताप महाजगबंदन और शंकर सुवन केसरी नंदन तेज प्रताप महाजगबंदन. Suvana means son, Swayama means himself. So there is a contradiction here that some people will call Hanuman as Shiva himself and some people will say he is a son of Shiva. I personally feel that it's Shankar Swayama Kesari Nandan is correct. Born to Kesari, his glory and power are worshipped throughout the world. Vidyavan Gunyati Chatur Ram Kaj Karibe Ko Atur. Hanuman is intelligent, virtuous and very wise. He is always eager to serve Lord Ram. प्रभु चरित्र सुनबे को रसिया राम लखन सीता मन बसिया. He delights in listening to Lord Rama's stories. Rama, Lakshmana and Sita reside in his heart. सूक्ष्म रूप धरी सिंहई दिखावा बिकट रूप धरी लंक जरावा. He becomes so tiny to meet Sita and he took a terrifying form to burn Lanka. भीम रूप धरी असुर संहारे रामचंद्र के काज संवारे. He destroyed demons with his mighty form, successfully completes Lord Rama's tasks. लाए संजीवन लखन जियाए श्री रघुवीर हर्षुर लाए. He brought the Sanjeevani herb and saved Lakshmana. Lord Rama embraced Hanumana with joy. रघुपति कीनी बहुत बड़ाई तुम मम प्रिय भरतई सम भाई. Rama praised Hanumana greatly. You are as dear to me as my brother Bharata. सहस बदन तुम्हारो यश गावे अस कही श्रीपति कंठ लगावे. Even Sheshnaग with 1,000 mouths sings your praise. Saying this, Lord Rama hugged Hanumana. सनक आदिक ब्रह्मादि मुनिसा नारद सारद सहित अहिसा. Sages and gods praise Hanumana. Narad and Mother Saraswati and Shesnak glorify him. यम कुबेर दिगपाल जहाते कवि कोविद कही सके कहाते. Even Yama, Kubera and guardians of directions honor him. No poet can fully describe his greatness. तुम उपकार सुग्रीवीनी कीना, राम मिलाए राजपद दीना. You helped Sugriva regain his kingdom, you united him with Rama and restored his rule. मारो मंत विभीषण माना, लंकेश्वर भय सब जग जाना. Vibhishana followed your advice, thus became the king of Lanka. युग सहस्त्र योजन पर बानु, लियो ताहि मधुर फल जानु. You leaped to the sun, thinking it as a fruit, you swallowed it playfully. Here 1 yug equals to 12,000 years, 1 Shahastra equals to 1000, 1 Yojana is equals to 8 miles, that is approximately 1.6 kilometer, that is 153 million kilometers, that is approximately equals to the sun distance of 149.6 million kilometer, which establishes the scientific evidence of the Chopai. प्रभु मुद्रिका मेली मुख माही, जलादी लंकही गए अचरज नाही. You carried Rama's ring in your mouth, crossing the ocean was effortless for you. दुर्गम काज जगत के जेते, सुगम अनुग्रह तुम्हारे तेते. All difficult tasks of the world become easy by your grace. राम द्वारे तुम रखवारे, होत न आज्ञा बिनु पैसारे. You guard the door of Lord Rama, no one enters without your permission. सब सुख लाहे तुम्हारी सरना, तुम रक्षक काहू को डरना. Those who seek your refuge gain happiness. With you as a protector, there is no fear. आपन तेज समारो आपे, तीनों लोक हाँकते कापे. You control your immense power, the 3 worlds tremble at your roar. भूत पिशाच निकट नहीं आवे, महावीर जब नाम सुनावे. Ghosts and evil spirits cannot come near when your name is remembered. नासे रोग हरे सब पीरा, जपत निरंतर हनुमत बीरा. Diseases and sufferings are removed by constantly chanting your name. संकट ते हनुमान छुड़ावे, मन क्रम वचन ध्यान जो लावे. Hanuman saves from all trouble those who remember him in thought, word and deed. सब पर राम तपस्वी राजा, तिनके काज सकल तुम साजा. Lord Rama, the supreme ascetic king, had all his tasks accomplished by you. और मनोरथ जो कोई लावै, सोई अमित जीवन फल पावै. Whoever brings wishes to you receives endless blessings. चारों युग प्रताप तुम्हारा, हे प्रसिद्ध जगत उजियारा. Your glory exists through all 4 yugas or ages. You are famous throughout the world. साधु संत के तुम रखवारे, असुर निकंदन राम दुलारे. You are the protector of saints and sages, destroyer of demons, beloved by Rama. अष्ट सिद्धि नवनिधि के दाता, असवर्दी जानकी माता. Giver of 8 spiritual powers and 9 treasures, he is blessed by Mother Sita. राम रसायन तुम्हारे प्यासा, सदा रहो रघुपति के दासा. You possess the nectar of Rama's devotion, remain forever Rama's servant. तुम्हारे भजन राम को पावे, जन्म जन्म के दुख बिसरावे. Through your way of worship, one attains Rama, suffering of many lifetimes is removed. अंत काल रघुवर उर जाए, जहाँ जन्म हरिभक्त कहाई. At death, one reaches Rama's abode and is again reborn as a devotee. और देवता चित्त न धराई, हनुमत से ही सर्व सुख कराई. No need to worship any other deity. Hanuman alone grants all happiness. संकट कटे मिटे सब पीरा, जो सुमिरे हनुमत बलबीरा. Trouble vanishes, pain ends by remembering brave Hanuman. जय 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 हनुमान गोसाई, कृपा करो गुरुदेव की नाई. Victory, victory, victory to Lord Hanuman, the divine master. Please bless me with grace, just like a true spiritual teacher. जो शत बार पाठ करे कोई, छूटे ही बंदी महासुख होई. Whoever recites this prayer 100 times is freed from all bondage and attains great happiness. जो यहाँ पढ़े हनुमान चालीसा, होए सिद्धि साकी गौरीसा. Whoever reads the Hanuman Chalisa gains spiritual power with Lord Shiva as witness. तुलसीदास सदा हरिचेरा कीजई नाथ हृदय महाडेरा. Tulsidas is forever the servant of Lord Rama. O Lord, please reside permanently in my heart. पवन तनय संकट हरन मंगल मूर्ति रूप राम लखन सीता सहित हृदय बसव सुरभूप. Son of wind god, remover of troubles, embodiment of auspiciousness, please dwell in my heart along with Lord Rama, Lakshmana and Mother Sita. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon.